Tekgence Technologies is offering you incredible opportunity to dive into the world of networking with our CCNA course. Now I know many of you are very interested in IT and networking course, but you know what? This course is the main gateway to that world. CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Networking Associate. It is a globally recognized certificate that validates your skill in networking fundamentals. This course is just like a passport for you to various jobs in IT sector. With CCNA certificate under your belt, you can explore job roles like network administrator, network engineer, and even system analyst. These job roles are highly in demand in industry, from healthcare to finance and beyond. Normally, the fee for this course is around 10,000. But guess what? We have negotiated this fee for our students and you can enroll in just 5,000. Yes, you heard me right. And plus, once you're certified, your earning potential will gonna increase significantly. In starting position, you can easily earn 2 to 2.4 lakh per annum. So now don't waste time. Call us today and enroll in this course and take first step in your IT career.